Welcome to another video from Health Hire UK. Today we're going to talk about how to tailor your supporting information along with the importance of tailoring your NHS job applications. The NHS is receiving a huge number of applicants for each position they are putting out on their website. The stats we are seeing are showing up to 300 applications for just one position, and therefore your application needs to stand out. You need to tell a story of who you are and how you got into the position you currently are and why that makes you the best candidate for the job. We're going to talk about how you can tailor the supporting information as well as how to structure your supporting information, giving you the best possible chance to secure your dream NHS job. With tailoring your supporting information, the first and most important thing to do is to write on a blank piece of paper a list of your experiences, for example, your previous jobs and your educational history. And for each of these, think about the skills and qualities that you gained from these experiences. Try to tailor or try to think about the experiences which also match up with what they are looking for on the person specification. For example, if they have mentioned on the person specification communication, teamwork, resilience, look for experiences that you have in your past which also show teamwork, communication and resilience. This way it almost matches your application to the perfect candidate that they are looking for. Remember, the person specification is their description of the perfect candidate. The more boxes you tick, the more higher your chances are of securing the job. The next thing you can do to tailor your supporting information is to talk a little about why you are applying to that particular hospital. So you could talk about the facilities of the hospital, any awards the hospital has won, or any specific type of patients or any conditions that they specifically treat at this hospital. This shows you are not just bulk applying to jobs, but applying to jobs that are a good match for yourself. Rejection, rejection, rejection. The UK job market can be like this. You are being rejected from your dream healthcare job, even though you meet the criteria, even though you have tried applying to many jobs. Are you feeling like you need some support to help you take that next step towards your dream role you deserve? Well, like we have done with these people, we can help you as well. How? We will write you a CV supporting information, and not just this, but provide you with step-by-step guides showing you how to find and apply for your dream roles, as well as providing you with common NHS interview questions. All this has been done by NHS experts with over 10 years of experience. It gets better. Our discount is still running, which means you get all of this for just £70 using the code NHS50. You can purchase our service directly from our website healthhireuk.com, or if you have any questions, contact us via email or WhatsApp. Let's get back into the video. Now, moving on to your supporting information structure. You've already now written down a few sentences on the skills that make you a good candidate for the role, and you've talked a little about why you want to apply for that particular hospital. To bring it all together, you need a good structure for your supporting information. The first thing you can do is have a good introduction. State your name and the job that you are applying for. The second paragraph, you need to talk about the hospital and why you are applying. Like we mentioned before, talk about the facilities they have, any awards they have won, and any particular group of patients they are treating or a type of condition they are treating at this hospital. After you've done these two paragraphs, you then need to have a paragraph about essential and a paragraph about desirable skills. So, using examples from your previous experiences, first talk about how you meet the essential skills. For example, if teamwork was an essential skill, talk about your previous experiences and the skills that you gain and how you in particular gain the skill of teamwork for this particular example, and then move on to desirable skills. So for example, if they mentioned resilience, you can talk about, again, from your previous experiences, how you have gained resilience. So now you've got an introduction, you've got a section on the hospital and why you went to work for that particular hospital. You've then got 2 paragraphs on how you meet the essential and how you meet the desirable skills. And now you can conclude with a simple sentence or 2 and thank them for considering your application. All this will ensure your supporting information stands out. It shows you are not just bulk applying to jobs, but putting time and effort and thought into the hospitals you are applying for and applying for roles in which you are a good match for. At healthhireuk.com, our experts can also do this for you. Our experts have over 10 years of NHS experience and they can write your supporting information for you. If you are interested in our service, visit our website healthhireuk.com, or you can contact us via email or WhatsApp, which will be displayed on the screen and in our comments section. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop us a comment. Thank you so much for watching.